Hi everyone, this is Terry at terryscraftroom.com. Today's little tip is about our Wink of Stella glitter brush. When you get your Wink of Stella brush, it comes in a package like this. So I've had numerous people of my customers get their Wink of Stella brush and say, it won't work, something's wrong with it. Well, the first thing you need to do, see the difference between the two brushes here? There's this little black piece. The first thing you need to do is take your brush apart and take that black piece off. And this will help activate your Wink of Stella. Now you also need to shake it really well because there's lots of little glitter pieces inside here. And the first time, let's zoom in a little bit. The first time you use your pen, you want to squeeze up here a bit so that you start getting some of that ink in this. There we go. Now the pen is activated and it'll start working. Okay? So there's a brand new pen. Now, the next thing you need to know about your Wink of Stella pen is once it's empty, you can still use it. There's enough glitter flakes inside here that you can refill it. And all you need to do is, so when you use your pen, you just pull off the lid, right? But all you need to do is to refill it is take that part off and pull this piece, this black piece out very gently. And I'm just going to lay this, see all this glitter that's still in here? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just refill my pen with alcohol. And then I'm going to put this back in. Glue this or screw this back on. And then it's ready to go again. And you'll need to squeeze some more back down, but then it's ready to go again. You can usually get 2 more refills out of this with the amount of glitter that's back in the back end of this pen. And there you have it. A little bit of a tip for your Wink of Stella pen and how to use it. I hope you enjoyed this tip today. If you did, go out over to terryscraftroom.com and check out lots of different tips and tricks and different card tutorials and project tutorials. And I'll see you soon. Bye!